then you will cooperate. And you...
There is a place for you in the First Order. Now, are we clear?
Citizens, travelers, and everyone within the sound of my voice, and I know that's all of you, step forward. I was, after all, addressing every single one of you. I said, step forward. Is that applies to you two standing shoulder to shoulder? Yes, you and the grey, you and your tiny companion. You put one foot in front of the other. There we go. Wasn't that rudimentary, even for the likes of you? Citizens and travelers of this outpost, hear me. Before we came to Batuu, Blackspire Outpost was an unruly place. Hardly safe for travelers such as yourselves. Since our arrival, we have restored control and peace, and that peace, that safety, is what the Resistance threatens to destroy, and we cannot let them succeed. So, while some of you may have come to Batuu on holiday, we are here on business. The Resistance has been reduced to a handful of stragglers with no hope of standing against us, and yet we believe they are making a useless attempt to regroup and draw others to their hopeless cause. The Stormtroopers, under my command, are, on my orders, searching this outpost to ensure that it does not happen. I expect compliance. Am I making myself clear? Am I making myself clear? Then you will cooperate, and you will remember who is in charge. Troopers! At attention.
I will see this outpost for myself.
Yes, sir. Troopers! You will escort the Supreme Leader! Everyone, clear a path, the Supreme...
Your skills will be of value to us. There is a place for you in the First Order. Stand aside. I approve. Here, where I can see you. Well, is this your lightsaber? Is this your lightsaber? Tell me, are you training to use it? Good. We will be watching your progress. You will serve us well. I look forward to it. On your way now. Have a good day. Thank you. Hello, citizen. Don't upset him.
We are documenting the goodness of the First Order.
If the Resistance is here, we will destroy them. This place will destroy itself. Understood. Understood. Move fast. Yes. No. Thanks for for that. Stay back. Required of service. Are you prepared? Affirmative.
Sir, did you find what you were looking for?
Double the patrols. Interrogate the merchants.
Naturally.
Detain travelers.
You might have started this whole thing, right? But yes, sir!
I want information. Do not fail, Lieutenant. Are we clear?
We are clear, sir! Troopers! You will join a recon unit and question anyone. Everyone! And if you find that someone is working for the enemy, you will bring them to me and I will deal with them myself. Am I making myself clear? Then move out and don't disappoint me.